Vellai was a Devadasi in the Ranganatha Swami temple in Srirangam in Tamil Nadu. The temple, if you recollect from the last episode, had just recovered its main Vigraha, which was lost for 7 decades after being hidden in the Tirumala hills from the army of Alauddin Khilji, the Delhi Sultan. Now Srirangam was facing a second devastating attack. The Sultan had sent his army again to loot the temple, but this time the people of Srirangam were better prepared. One of their acharyas had taken the Vigraha and was running towards nearby Madurai city for its safekeeping. Yet the battle was not looking good. Around 12,000 people associated with the temple and its town were killed as the Sultan's men went on a rampage. Vellai, an ardent devotee of Ranganatha, was devastated at the scene. And then she came up with a plan. She went to the camp of the Sultan's commander. There, she first distracted the commander with her dance. "Come and watch me," she said. And for a few hours, he was distracted watching her dance. And this gave the fleeing Acharya some time to get away with the Vigraha. Satisfied with her own plan, she had an even better idea. It was nearing night. "Come with me and I will show you where the Vigraha is hidden. I know you want it. You are right, it is made of pure Aparanji gold. I'll show you where it is." And she walked out towards the temple. The commander was very excited and went behind her. She took him straight to the eastern Gopuram of the temple and climbed to its top with him. Then she pointed down, saying, "Here is where it is, follow my finger." The commander leaned down to see where she was pointing to, and she just pushed him down to his death. Having achieved what she wanted to, but not wanting to be caught and tortured by his soldiers, Vellai too jumped off the Gopuram, taking her own life. Totally demoralized by their commander's death, and having to take on the forces of the Vijayanagar Empire that had arrived later to help the Srirangam people, the Sultan's army retreated and went back. And the temple was saved from further ransacking, and the Vigraha safely made its way to the neighboring city of Madurai to spend some more years away from Srirangam. In gratitude to Vellai for her quick thinking and sacrifice, the eastern Gopuram was named Vellai Gopuram. Later, the temple authorities also painted the Vellai Gopuram white, recognizing her immense contribution to the temple. Vellai in Tamil means white. Srirangam temple, as information, totally has 21 Gopurams spread across the huge complex, and only this is in white. All the others are multicolored.